Hello everyone, welcome you in Research Needs. Today in this video we will see how to make a thumbnail using paint options. Here you can see it is a paint tool which is already provided into the laptop. So it is very easy to make a thumbnail by using this tool. So for that what we will do, so here you can see I have already started the Filmora software. Here you can see I have edited my video and it is ready to export. Now I need a best thumbnail for my video. So I will move my cursor and choose the best image from my edited video, which can represent my video content. So here you can see in the image already I have selected the best image from my edited video. So I have selected this and now I am going to make a PNG image for that by this tool. So now it is saved in D drive, but it is also available here in the media file. So you can see it is a snapshot too. And next another image which is I want to merge it in this image. So I will select that image again from here by using this cursor. So I want to put this image with this image. So I will again select this image by this tool only and I will go directly in this folder, means it is saved in D. So I will go there and pick both image and open in paint option. So here you can find these both images are saved in D drive. So I will open it individually file into paint. Open with paint. So we will minimize this first and we will open this also in paint. So you have to open another file in paint here. So first of all what we will do, here you can see we will crop this image. To crop this image in paint is very easy than in Filmora. So what we will do, we will do Control A first, so it will selected whole image. Now we will use crop tool from here and we will put here and directly will crop as much you want. So now it is cropped. Now we will see from we have to select is Control A then Control C and we will go in another image of paint here and we will paste it directly, Control B, and we will drag it. Once you drop it and this, if this selection will goes, then it will fix on the same position, will not move. So now it is fixed. So we will crop this part from this image, but if we will crop this part, so the image will be smaller than the size of the YouTube thumbnail. So we have to manage it properly so that it will not visible. So what we will do, we will directly crop, we will copy, select this part, this part, and we will Control C, we will use Control C and we will paste it here, and we will drag it and we'll erase it completely. So now you can see completely it gone. Likewise you can do down also. Here the image is not okay, so we will erase this part also. Control B, we will drag this part, and as per our requirement, the size, we will drag this part. So now you can see we have erased all the unwanted things from the thumbnail. Now we can write here our title in large size, and we can drag it also. We will change the font more in size, bigger in size. We can change its color also if you want. Say 26. Now it looks good. We will change the font if you want more dark. So it is good. This one is good. This one is good. So this how you can design your. So now it is fixed, you can see. So now you have to export it, save it in PNG file only, so it will be good for YouTube. Better you give the name it. Okay. So now you can take it back from there. If you want to arrange more things, you can do. So it will come here. If you want to more correction in this image, you can do easily. So now you can see it is available in the. We can give background to this thumbnail. So how that we can give? So we will give border. This border is good. Here it is, and we will go and see. So now it is looks more fabulous. So we will select, we will crop it. Again we will use this tool and take a snapshot. It is saved in D folder where we can see that thumbnail. So it is saved here. We can see again from here to. Our thumbnail is now ready. How was the video? Please do comment. Thank you for watching Research Need. Thank you very much.